Hi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you what will happen when you start investing 20,000 naira every month in money market fund. Money market fund offer between 21 to 22%, but for this video we are going to use 21%. So if you are looking to build wealth through investing discipline, consistent investing, then you are in the right place. So let's dive right in. Let me show you the numbers and how this thing can work. Imagine this: every month you set aside 20,000 naira to invest in money market fund. That's 240,000 naira a year, right? Well, now here is where the magic happens: compound interest. So instead of getting 240,000 naira at the end of the year, you will get more, because when you calculate the interest, then because you are not investing at once, so there's no way you can say, okay, let's calculate interest based on 240,000 naira. You have to calculate it with the following formula. When you use this formula, you should be getting around 264,000 naira per year. So that your 240,000 naira, if you input it in savings account, it will only give you maybe that you are too lucky with good rate, let's say 245 or 250. But when you invest it in money market fund and you create automatic debit for yourself, so that at the end of the month 20,000 will just go. Once you receive your salary or whatever happens, if it's a business, we just give it like on 30th, debit 20,000 naira. So at the end of the year, so instead of that 240,000 naira, you should have around 264,000. So that 264,000, when you minus your capital, your interest is around 24,000. Now let's check what happens when you continue investing that amount for another year. So after 1 year, you've invested 240, and that 240 you have 264,000. Then after, let's say you do it again for 3 years, you would have invested 720k, and you have approximately 1.180,000. Then after 5 years, you would have invested 1.2 million, and the approximate total capital will be 2.1 million. Then after 10 years, you would have invested 2.4 million and approximately 7 million naira in investment account. This works because with compound interest, your money earn interest, and then your capital earn interest, and then the interest of your capital earn another interest. That means your money makes money, and that money makes even more money, if you get what I mean. So let's say your 240,000 naira is making money, right? But then the interest, that 24,000 naira you gain that year, will also make more interest. So that's how this thing works. And the beauty of this strategy is that you don't need huge amount of money to get started. And this 20,000 naira may be a lot for some people, but it can also be little change for some people. So for instance, if you have more to invest, you can invest more. The most important thing about this investment is to make sure that you are not taking away money, as you are not investing money that will require you to go and withdraw or something of that nature, or request for redemption or something. It should be money you can easily do without. It can even be 5,000 naira, it can be 10,000, it can be 100,000, depending on your capacity. And you just need to do it and create automatic debit, so that every month, you can always stop it if you want to, but you create automatic debit. This is a new year. You just make sure that for the rest of this year at least, you will be debited at particular date, and you make sure the money is in your account. This is even easier for salary earners, especially those who used to prefer contribution like a job or something. So instead of giving your money to someone that could abscond with it, and is not even earning interest, so you can do this one. Apart from the fact that the compound interest is the #1 benefit of this thing, the second benefit is the fact that money market fund is very low risk. In fact, it's a low risk investment, so you don't have to really worry about your money. You just need to get a good firm that you trust, and then you invest. Because money market fund, the underlying investment, they invest in something like, let's say, treasury bills and the rest. So your money is safe. your money is safe. And another thing is the fact that it's very flexible. So you can decide, okay, I invest 20,000 naira this year, and my job, they gave me a promotion or something, so I have to increase it. Then you can do that. It's very easy to, increase or reduce the amount depending on your situation. The final advantage is, apart from the low risk, the compound interest, and the flexibility, is that this thing is all about discipline. It will help you discipline yourself. So at the end of the day, you create this habit of investing. It's not something that everybody can do. So if it helps you create a habit of regular investing, is a plus. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and then subscribe to my channel for more video like this.